In this video, we're going to be setting up the 10-button keypad to control 5 different sources for one TV. So now I'm going to log in, and that's admin. Now I'm going to go up to device settings. I've already set up my 9x9, but if you need to set it up, my device I'm naming 9x9 with the IP address. This is what I have as the IP address for my switch, port 5000, no username, no password. So now you go up to here to this tab for the commands. So now I'm at my command settings. I'm going to click on edit, and I'm just going to name this source 1. And that command would be 1x6 period with no in flag, save. Source 2, 2x6 period, none. Source 4, same thing, 4x6 period. And my last one, source 5 with 5x6 period, none, save. Now after I have our commands in there, I'm going to go to key settings. Now I'm going to use key 1 for source 1. So I want to go down to the edit, click on edit, click on my 9x9, and I want a 100 millisecond delay, telnet, and I'm using source 1. Save, save. And we're going to do the same things for keys 2 through 5. Edit 9x9, source 2, 100. Save. Three, edit 1, 100. Source 3, save. Source 4 is done. And source 5, 100, source 5, save. Give that a few seconds. So now that we have all those set up, let's go over to the switch and take a look. So in this example, again, I have 5 sources connected, 1 output. I'm using output 6 to go to this TV here. Right now I am on source 2. So if I want to go to source 1, I press button 1. And source 3 we set up as button 3. Source 4, key 4, and 5 for source 5. If you got any questions, give us a call, 833-965-3722. Thank you.